Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new or if you're coming over from the playlist. I'm Holly, and today is March 14th, which is National Pi Day, which is P-I, which that honors the 3.14, if you remember from math, the ratio of the circumference of a circle. So in today's collaboration, we're going to be sharing with you lots of variety of different pie recipes that you can make for your family. So I think that you will enjoy this video because we will be sharing a lot of different PIE, regular pie recipes with you. It is being hosted by Desiree at Mama Friendly, so please be sure to go check her channel out. She has lots of great content on her channel, and I'm going to leave the playlist down below of all my YouTube friends who are also making some really delicious pies for this collaboration. So now I'm going to show you what I made for this one, and I think you will enjoy it, and I think you will enjoy everyone else's recipes as well. And today I'm making a lemon cheesecake pie, and for me, cheesecake is one of my favorite desserts. I love any flavor cheesecake, and lemon is one of my favorite flavors for spring and summertime. So to have a cheesecake that was lemon flavored was perfect, and I found this recipe on Pinterest, so I will leave that link down below. But for the recipe, you will need a pre-made graham cracker crust, 1 box of Jell-O instant lemon pudding, 2 blocks of cream cheese softened. You will need a container of the frozen lemonade, but you only need a ½ a cup. So just remember not to use all of it, just a ½ a cup. The same goes for the evaporated milk. You only need 5 ounces, so do not use the whole can, so measure that out. You will also need a ½ a cup of Cool Whip, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and the zest from 1 large lemon. And that is all you need to make this delicious lemon cheesecake pie. So the first thing you will do is, in a mixing bowl, add the instant pudding. And you really could do this with any flavor. And then add the evaporated milk. And then this will be mixed with your mixer. So if you have 2 bowls, that would be great, so that way you can do that. But I just mixed mine up for about 2 minutes and then added the lemon zest to that and mixed it in. So you need to do the first part for 2 minutes. This is what you will end up with. It's almost like a lemon curd in a way. So I put that in another bowl, in this bowl, and then I took my mixing bowl again, added 2 blocks of cream cheese that were softened. And for 3 minutes, you will mix this. So be sure to mix it for 3 minutes. Then you will start to add the lemon juice, the lemonade, and also add the Cool Whip to this as well. Then you will mix this until it is completely combined, and you want to have somewhat of a thickness to it. And when it has like soft peaks, then that should be done. And you want a creamy consistency. So now I take the lemon pudding mixture that we already made. I add that to the cream cheese mixture, and then I'm going to put it back into my mixer and mix this up until it's completely combined. And you do want, like I said, a smooth consistency, you know, when it gets that thickness and sort of soft peaks. Then take your pie crust and put your filling into that, and just, like I said, just fill it up. Very easy and simple. And then just evenly spread it over the top to get an even layer. And once you're done, you will put this in the refrigerator for at least 4.5 hours or longer. I put mine in for overnight. This was definitely worth the wait. Letting it sit overnight in the refrigerator, my gosh, this was absolutely delicious. If you like lemon and you like cheesecake, This is the perfect combination. The lemon flavor is on point. It's not overpowering or anything. It was the perfect lemon flavor cheesecake. And it's very refreshing and light. It wasn't like a heavy cheesecake. So really delicious. This is one I'm going to be making more often. I really did, like I said, enjoy this. So definitely want to try. Please don't forget to check the playlist down below in the description box of all my YouTube friends making some delicious pies for this collaboration. And don't forget to check Desiree's channel as well. She has great content there, so please be sure to go and visit her channel. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day. Thank y'all so much for watching. God bless y'all.